Hello YouTube, another battle today. A little bit of a different concept. We're gonna be using 2 samples instead of 1, hence the title. Biggest bird, emerging meme on the internet. I'm not actually sure until someone sent it today in battle. And guitar piano, pretty sick TikTok of this MIDI guitar played on piano. We're gonna combine them. Biggest bird versus guitar piano. Let's get both these samples in here. See what we can do. What can we make today? What can we do? What's the play? What's the sauce? Let's piano guitar warp first. Let's get this acapella in here too. Oh God. Let's put it up 1. Thank you. Can't believe we're actually doing this. Let's go. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Jesus Christ. He's the biggest bird. Alright, let's add a bass or something. What genre are we going for? We don't got a genre. We're just vibing. Let's see what happens. I'm at 160. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh, this last chord's different. Just gonna use this intro guitar mostly, I think, because there's more space in it, and I like that. I'm the biggest bird. A little delay on that vocal. I'm the biggest bird. 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 Yeah. Maybe like a pad layer as well. Let's get serum in here. This could go so crazy. Yeah. Let's see what we can do. I'm the biggest bird. Yeah. What do you know about the Imagero piano? Goes insane. Look at this. I'm the biggest bird, yeah. They wanna be like me, but they can't be like me. It's so like busy, this vocal, man. Yeah, just sing myself. Yeah, what if I do that? I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, yeah. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, yeah. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, yeah. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, yeah. This key's also not great for my voice. Hold on. Bear with me. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh. God damn. Biggest bird moment. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh. Need some harmonies maybe. I'm the biggest bird. Oh. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh. I'm the biggest. Go like crazy hip hop beat right there, I think. An eagle screech? I think I have one. Hold on. Why do I have so many? Seagull will do. I'm the biggest bird. 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 All right. Only problem I see here is that we're in C, and I don't like C. I'm the biggest bird, 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 I'm the biggest bird. Question is, what kind of beat we feeling right here? Hold up, let's go to my easy peasy. Hold up, feeling like glaze kick. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. Is that a nice little clap snare thing? Biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, It's kind of cool as that tail actually, hold on. Interesting, clap, fill. Interesting, is that Fall Guys? Ooh, the laser snare, imagine. I'm the biggest bird, Let me turn this into a pluck, actually, this guitar. Watch if it was like really lo-fi, kind of like NES vibes on this pluck.
I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest.
Boo-doo-doo-doo.
I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird.
It's kind of fire. All right, maybe we can do some more interesting synth. Boo, wow. Have like a swell pad, maybe. A swell pad. Pad swell. Ooh, hold on. Let him cook. Go feel it. Come on. Hold on. Ew. Hold on.
I'm the biggest bird.
I like the 8-bit sounds. You can do a lot with like really simple sounds. Ba-ba. Short tapping riff in DMs. Let me see. Shut up. It's sick.
I'm the biggest bird.
Sick.
I'm the biggest bird.
Oh! Have a crow? Some crow sounds here? Mer, mer. Like a big yellow bird mascot and call him Big Bird. I met my girlfriend for the first time wearing this big yellow costume, not even lying. It was just like this huge yellow jacket and huge yellow pants. I don't know why I wore it. And she called me Big Bird. You are the biggest bird after all? This is true. This is true. Cool pog. I don't know what to do. Kind of lost, actually. Doesn't happen often, but it definitely happens. Save this, make a new drop. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. Let's do marshmallow type beat. Let's go.
Biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. Oh, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Okay. It's crazy, it's crazy. Trying to do a new drop here. Just for a vibe. That lead though. Wait, hold on. Okay.
I'm the biggest.
Da-da. What else do we have over here?
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
So this could be a verse section actually if I get it done in enough time. I'm the biggest bird.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Okay, lyrics, chill.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. Oh, I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Kind of like it actually. Hold on. It actually sounds kind of cool, actually. This has to be a build-up somehow.
I'm the biggest bird.
The biggest wings, yeah. The biggest thing, yeah. Got the biggest wings, yeah. The biggest things, yeah. wings, yeah. The biggest thing, yeah. Got the biggest wings, yeah. The biggest sins, yeah. Hold on. The biggest sins, oh no. The biggest sins, oh no. Biggest sins, yeah. Okay, one more bar, couple more bars here, and then build up into drop thing. Y'all fly high, you got me so high. Over the clouds in the sun, I'm motherfucker. Fly high, you got me so high. Above the clouds in the sun, I'm motherfucker. Above the clouds in the sun, above the clouds, if you see me, then you don't cry. Above the clouds, if you see me, then you don't cry. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the random build-up drums. I'm the biggest bird, 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 break? Imagine. True, actually. I'm the biggest bird, 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 I'm the biggest bird. Breaks literally work with everything, it's insane. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. Let's go half here. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. The biggest wings, the biggest bling, yeah. Got the biggest rings, the biggest sins, oh no. Fly high, you got me so high. Above the clouds, if you see me, then you don't cry. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, hold on. Biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. Imagine the master filter drop moment. Hold on, I never do this. It's kind of hype. Yeah, got the biggest reason, the biggest sins, I don't know. Can't get over this hidden Roblox sound. What the Ooh. The biggest. How did I make that with my voice? Biggest. Ooh. All right. Pretty much time's up. This is what I made with the piano guitar thing and Big Bird. Biggest Bird. Big Bird. I literally forgot the sample. But it's fine. Let's listen. That's what we made. I'm the biggest bird, 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 I'm the biggest bird. The biggest wings, the biggest bling, yeah. Got the biggest rings, the biggest sins, oh no. Fly high, you got me so high. Above the clouds, if you see me, then you don't cry. I'm the biggest bird, 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 I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird, I'm the biggest bird. Hell yeah. Actually, pretty stoked with that drop at the end. Kind of like Leo. Okay, chill, Google. Kind of like Leotrix vibes a little bit. Pretty happy? You're rendering? Yeah. Make sure to submit in Bishu submissions if you haven't yet. Let's get these links open. All right, let's get it. Probably can't say that on YouTube. Make sure you bleep that, Steven. Let's see. If someone says W pin, that means I'm going to pin it. That doesn't mean I'm going to. That means people will think I should. And pinning means it'll go into the winner's queue. That it's like a cut above the songs that we're playing. And then at the end, we'll pick a winner from that queue. So the songs that are pinned are in the winner's queue, if you're new here. Birdie, sir, that's how we'll pick a winner. What you've done, I don't know what you heard. Don't know what you heard. Oh no. But I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Infinity.
W no pin. The only reason I wouldn't pin it is because I didn't hear any of the samples after the scuffed ass intro. W no pin. Okay, chat has spoken. Sorry, sir. Ori main.
Late nights up in the sky, I know you die to fly up this high with me. But you see, we don't flock like I thought. I'm sorry, I know you'd hope.
You know what would go hard? Daddy Lacus collab. Ori main, Daddy Lacus.
We go to the top of the clouds together, spread our wings, two birds of a feather. But you're stuck in stormy weather, and I just can't find a tether. I'm the biggest bird you ever could have heard, but I don't need you to tell me what I'm worth.
A little pitchy, but like great voice. I think it's W no pin for me. It's a little raw, a little underproduced, but you have a great voice. I'm gonna tell you that. Thank you, Ori. Faye Jr., biggest piano guitar. You know, a little pitchy. Sushi. What bass did you add under this? Because it sounds really good. Woo! WPNA? I'll agree with that. Faye leveled up. I feel like Faye a year ago wouldn't be W pin. I'll be honest. Give it a buck. Faye leveled up recently. Faye 0. No big bird. The drums. I think it's a pin. The drums carried really hard, and the pads are really cool. Napo, largest piano redescription. It's the homie in the picture. I've always wondered, is this like a... It's not people outside, right? Is that like a picture? Like, what is this? Sketch me out. Okay, D&B. Oh, it literally says in the description. It's not a mirror in the background. It's an elevator. What? That has more questions. I don't even know. Oh, the guitar. Are you riffing?
Wanted. This isn't how I thought it. Look at where we started. Can we get that back? This isn't what I wanted. Isn't how I thought it'd be. Look at where we started.
Funk walk or what? Huh?
I'm the biggest bird. 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 I'm the biggest bird.
It's my little memer. W pin though, good, really good. The vocals over the Liquid D&B vibe with that guitar. Bill Bosch.
Don't know what you heard. Oh no, oh no. But I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Plus patio.
Bird. I'm the biggest 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 bird. Bigger than a castle where you're in Australia. They wanna be like me, but they can't be like me. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the
Thanks, Blake.
biggest bird. Bigger than a wind. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
Oh? Ooh, I wish you went halftime there, but it's fine. Bill Bosch getting pinned. All right. Say less. Flake Flips. Did you go to sleep yet? Piano Burb. Ooh. Wow, this picture. I look really good here. Like Skrillex vocal chop vibe. What? Creative. Biggest bird. That was sick. Pinned. Silaws. Bitch battle of sevens. Interesting.
You're everything I've asked for. You're the light that guides me through the storm. Yeah. You're the love that makes me feel reborn.
Anime. Creative, yeah. W no pin. W no pin. Exotic. Oh, that lead is sick. Yeah, that's the pin. This pin for me. Napo. Where did you? Into the tier ones we go. Napo again? What the f? This guy's like 17 links in here. Mayor. Good, you probably shouldn't. Finally. We're gonna end it right there. That is a Mayor W. Haven't heard of you once. Is this your first submission? Yeah, it is. Your first bitch battle. Unreal. Big W. Claps in the chat. Come on. Massive W. Thank you guys for watching. Come through the Twitch link description. You already know. We do this every Monday. This is a fun one. I don't know how to pronounce it. Mayor. M-Air. Mayor W. Peeps music in the description. Hell yeah. Big W. Peace.